William made a scale drawing of a shopping center. In real life, the parking lot is 36 meters long. It is 4 centimeters long in the drawing. What scale did William use? So, in the scale, in the drawing, it was 4 centimeters long, and in the actual parking lot, it was 36. So, we want to find out what 1 centimeter is in meters. Our answer should be in meters. So, we're going to write it like this: 1 centimeter is equal to x meters, because we don't know. And in this case, we know that 4 centimeters is the scale drawing, and the actual parking lot is 36 meters. So we're going to cross multiply 4 times x and 1 times 36, which will give us 4x is equal to 36 times 1. So in order to get x by itself, we have to do the opposite of what we're doing here. How do you get rid of this 4? Since we're multiplying 4 times x, the opposite of multiplication is division. So we're going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. So we're going to have just x by itself, or 1x, but we do not write the 1. Since we divided 4 on one side, we have to do the same thing to the other side. And 36 divided by 4, you can check your calculators. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Reagan made a scale drawing of a boarding school. The scale she used was 1 millimeter to 3 meters. I'm going to write that down. That's going to be important. 1 millimeter is equal to 3 meters. It says a building at the school is 105 meters long. Meters go with meters, so I'm going to put meters on this side. We know it's 105 meters. Long in real life. How long is the building in the drawing? So we want to find out how long the building is in the drawing, and it tells us we're going to do it in millimeters, so I'm going to put millimeters on this side. We're going to do a proportion, and we're going to multiply. Begin by cross multiplying. X times 3 gives me 3x. 1 times 105 gives me 105. In order to get rid of this 3, we have to do the opposite. In this case, we're multiplying 3 times x. What's the opposite of multiplying 3 times x? Is dividing. So we're going to divide each side by 3. Because I divided it on one side, I'm going to divide it on the other side. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So I'm going to put x by itself here. And on the other side, we're going to get 105 divided by 3, which is going to be 35. So how long is the building in the drawing? The building in the drawing is going to be 35 millimeters. Next question. Reagan measured a neighborhood park and made a scale drawing. She used the scale 1 millimeter is equal to 2 meters. So 1 millimeter is equal to 2 meters. In the drawing, the volleyball court is 8 millimeters long. So in the drawing, the court is 8 millimeters long. So I'm going to put 8 millimeters on this side. And I'm going to put x meters on this side. That's what we were looking for. And we can see that right here, meters. What is the length of the actual volleyball court, which is the meters that we're talking about? First step, cross multiply. 2 times 8 times 2 gives me 16. So I'm going to write 16 on this side is equal to 1 times x gives me x. So my answer is right there. 16 is equal to x. And my meters is going to be 16.